Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video talking about Midjourney. In this video, we're going to be talking about the parameter seed. So when we enter a prompt, the Midjourney bot uses a seed number to create a field of visual noise. It's like television static. So it uses this seed number as a starting point to generate the initial image grids. Seed numbers are created randomly for each image, but if you use the same seed number and prompt, you will create really similar images that are nearly identical. So I'm just going to show you an example. So for my first prompt, I've typed in / imagine pink flower in the garden, and Midjourney has created me these 4 lovely images of pink flowers. If I now react to this image with a closed envelope emoji, Midjourney will then tell me the seed number of this image grid. So if I now type in the same prompt, but also add -- seed with the number, Midjourney will create me 4 images that are really similar to my previous ones. So this is what Midjourney has created, and you can see how similar these are to those initial images. It's absolutely amazing. So I'm just going to type in the same prompt / imagine pink flower in the garden, and you can see how different these images are. This is a really amazing parameter to use. I love it. So for this video, I'm using version 6, and I think these results are brilliant. If you use version 4, 5 or Niji, then the results are going to be nearly identical. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, if you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, as it really helps our channel and we appreciate it so much. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.